Hey you guys, so we've been munching on a lot of papaya salads lately because we removed the papaya plant because it wasn't, it was getting to a point where it wasn't very safe.
Okay. Yeah.
And I realized that I didn't, record the papaya salad, how I made it. So I'm gonna share this last papaya with you guys and show you how to do it. It's really simple and just so tasty. Now I'm getting close to the seeds. I'm going to actually cut this in half. Just picking up a spoon to scrape the seeds out. Just be careful, watch your fingers. Next, I'm going to be picking some herbs to go with the papaya salad. And normally we would put the gosh, what is this one called in English? But it's called rau ram in Vietnamese. There's also Thai basil, but those I started from seeds, so they're not ready yet, so we're not gonna have that in there. Usually you would put that in. And then there's the fish mint and mint. Okay, we got some of these spearmint. Smells so good. I'm just going to add a couple of hishou or perilla. Not that much has grown yet. Thank you. Normally I would just have the papaya as the main ingredient, but today, because I actually got down to the very last papaya and I didn't realize that, hey, I should make a video for you guys. So here I am with a tiny papaya that's not enough for a salad, and so and it's getting more ripe because it's been a little while since we actually removed the tree now, so the plant, and the papaya is getting a little more ripe, so it's softer, it's not as crisp. So in that case, I decided to add a little more to the salad by picking some kale because it's nice and thick. It has a bit of more that crunch and that texture that we're looking for in a papaya salad. So I'm just going to be slicing everything thinly. And since I'm working out here, I sometimes enjoy you can roll up the herbs and leaves and things just like this, and then use a pair of scissors. Definitely use knives and that would be a lot faster. Here are some of the veggies or some herbs that I picked, just going to stack them. Remove the stem. Then I got some of these flower petals. I'm going to add in this calamansi juice, which we grow this citrus fruit here, and my mom have made the sauce, and she's reusing this sriracha bottle. So yeah, pretty handy. It's mostly just a little bit of sea salt, honey, and what is it, calamansi juice in here. And because we recently just pruned the tree because it's finally finished fruiting, we cut it back. But when we do have the fruits, I'll make a new video if you guys are interested in finding out how we made the sauce. You can even like mince up some like fresh garlic and put in this put in your sauce too if you want. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this in the salad. Peel away this part because it's actually kind of stringy. Wow, I'm creating a masterpiece here. Look at this. You see this? Look at these purple splashes. They are so artistic, and they are actually splashes from these peas. This is my take on the traditional papaya salad. In this salad, I'm actually using the papaya as one of the ingredients in any salads really, but I did add a lot of the Asian herbs in there. And the reason I did that is because this papaya is a little more ripe, so it's a bit softer than the ones you normally would use for papaya. So if you guys would like to see another video where I would do a more actual green crispy papaya, traditional papaya salad, let me know in the comments down below. But I thought I would go ahead and make this video to share with you guys since I'm not going to have my own grown papaya in a while. Oh my gosh, it's so good. The papaya is not giving me that crispy texture anymore, but it adds a little different taste. It almost tastes like it tastes like something else. I don't know, but I like it too because I do have some other things that are crunchy in here, and so they all kind of, I think they all kind of go together really well. And to let the sauce sit and let it marinate for a little while, this is really tasty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. And if you think anyone who can benefit from this this channel or this video, I would love for you guys to share. And thank you so much for your support. If you want to continue supporting me, I would love for you to go check out my website where I have some plans offered to you guys. I'll leave the link down below for you guys, and I'll see you right back here in the next video. Thank you so much, you guys, and I'll see you again. Bye.